for this exercise. I urge the candidates and supporters to abide by the rules. The Jamaica Labour Party is a fair and equitable institution. We uphold and promote the rights of our members, and we give all a fair chance and hearing.
So why are we hearing these reports about Delano? Since as is fear, it appears that Carl Samuda wants Delano to take the seat. It also appears that Holness wants Tavares Finch's son to take the seat. Now, we are at a stalemate which requires democracy to be upheld.